You bring me home.
Hey guys, it's Ariana Janae. Welcome back to my channel. I am sorry for my appearance. I know I look messed up right now. It's been a long day and I just got back home. I decided to film because I just received my first VNYL vinyl. I'm not sure you pronounce it. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Package, and I'm going to be unboxing it and reviewing it for you guys. So if you don't know what vinyl is, it is a vinyl subscription. You pay $39 a month to receive 3 vinyls. You pick a vibe for your month, and then you also tell them your music taste, what artists you like, all of that sort of thing. This video is not sponsored, don't worry. I'm pretty sure I'm like not cool enough to be sponsored by them, but you know, vinyl or VNYL, I'm sorry still. If you're watching this, hit your girl up. Enough of me rambling, as I say in all my videos, because I ramble so much. Without further ado, let's just get started. So this is what the package looks like. It is pink. It says hashtag VNYL vinyl, whatever. It says love will tear us apart, because this is where you open it. I've watched some unboxing videos, so I kind of know what the dealio is. I don't know if I mentioned this, but when you order it, the 3 vinyls that you get are a surprise. I'd show you guys the back, but it just has my address. I've heard this is their saying. I don't know if you can see that. It says let's get physical. I've heard that's like their like slogan, I guess. This video is kind of a mess, like all my other videos are. So if this video isn't the best quality slash isn't the most put together because I'm just acting crazy right now, I'm sorry. I need to open this. So I'm gonna close my eyes while opening this so I can be surprised. Okay, this is the paper, so I'll keep my eyes open for this one. Oh, I don't want to see the first part, so I'm just gonna pull it out. So this is the paper. It says Fox Bodies. I don't really know what this is, I'm sorry. If you know what this is, let me know. I'm not sure what this is, but this is the paper that came in it, I guess. I'm gonna pull out my first one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What is this? I'm confused, don't know what this is. It says small circles, cyclical. This is what the cover looks like, and this is what the back looks like. So I've never heard of this group, but it has all of their names like right here. Obviously I didn't know it was coming in here, but I've never heard of this group, so I'm curious to see what their sound is like. So I'm just gonna open them so we can all see what the vinyl looks like. Trying not to break anything because I obviously hurt myself with my scissors in my Kelsey Simone unboxing video, which I'll put in the iCard, I guess, because why not? I'm trying to remember what side the iCard is. I think it's this side. If I can't even open the friggin' plastic wrap, what kind of person am I? This is the sleeve that it's in. It's like this, and then songs on the back with lyrics, I'm assuming. Oh, this is so dope! I'm sorry I keep looking at myself. Wow, this is so pretty! It says Flower Girl Records on it. Interesting. This is what side B looks like. This is so beautiful. Oh, and it also comes with the digital download, so that's cool. Sorry, my room is a mess. Like I said, I literally just came home. Oh, okay. I didn't notice this. This is the card that you get that they make for you when they pick out the stuff. I'm not gonna look at this yet because I'm scared that it might spoil some stuff, so I'm just gonna leave it face down right here and we'll go back to that later. Okay, things are falling out. More things. Stickers, how cute. It's the VNYL vinyl. I still don't know what I'm talking about. Sticker, and then a little turntable sticker. That's so cute. And then I also got this sticker for my vibe. For the vibe that I chose single AF. I can't tell where the front is. I'm assuming this is the front. Just turn it this way. 3. Ooh. My throat made a weird sound. 3, 2, 1, open. Divide! Okay, so this isn't, this, I already knew this was coming. This is one that I ordered. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but on, when you have a VNYL vinyl, I'm just gonna keep saying both. When you have a membership, they have a store and you can get vinyls, speakers, and just a bunch of accessories at a cheaper price. So I got this. I don't remember how much it was, but I got one of the last ones. So I'm so happy because I don't talk about it much, but I've loved Ed Sheeran for a long time, like for the longest. Probably since his first album came out. Is it Plus? The one with the plus sign. Since that album came out, so yeah. And this is my favorite album by him actually, so yeah. Let's open it. Oh, also this is what the front looks like. The divide. This album cover is literally iconic. And then here's the back with all the songs on it. So this is the inside. Oh, it has Castle on the Hill lyrics. It says, I'm on my way driving at 90 down these country lanes, seeing a tiny dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real when we watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. Oh look, it does have it has the little name, says plus multiply and divide. I'm gonna laugh if there's like subtract. Not surprised. So this is the first one. So lyrics, obviously, and then Super Microflower lyrics. It says, I hope that I see the world as you did, cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. I know the words, I'm sorry, but like this is confusing me more. So it's just standard blue. This is side A, and then, or blue, I mean black. Side B. And then here's the other one. Again, lyrics, and then Shape of You lyrics on this side. This is what it looks like. It says, I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull it. This is so hard to read. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Dang, I sound mad when I say those. I think it's the same thing. So again, it's black. This is side C, and then this is side D. I'm struggling. Pulling it out, turning it this way. I'll count 3. 1, 2, 3, open. What is this? Oh my god, no way! No way! This is so freaking dope! They really listened. I was like scared that my other ones are just gonna be random. Oh my god, this is so dope! It's the I'm gonna cry. It's the You Need Me EP. It's Ed's EP. This is actually insane. Here's the back. This is the front. It's just in this black little sleeve thing. This one is just black too. It has the orange center and it just says the name of the EP.
I need you now. I need your touch and your lips. I need your smile.
And it doesn't tell you the tracks, but that's okay because most of the time I don't mind, and like usually I end up figuring it out anyway. So. Okay, this is the last one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she's upside down. This is With Love, Rosie Thomas. Don't know who she is. This is the back look like. Nude. I think the tracks are right here. Okay, these are pretty song titles. Just a random thing that I noticed. This is the note. Cute. Has credits, lyrics, and then this is the vinyl. If I can take it out of the sleeve. The sleeve is just white. This one's weirdly light. It's a weird feeling. It's black and it just has her record label on top, and then it has the tracks. You see what it says? actually look like the same. Is there anything else in here? Oh, just one thing. Another sticker. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is read the note. And these are handwritten. So I think that's super dope how they like custom it to you. This is from Ryan and it says, "Hey Ariana, welcome. For your first box, I've got you Ed Sheeran's You Need Me, featuring Jess's vocals and a travel size acoustic guitar. Next, small circle made up of 3 sorority noise members and I, newcomer." Hello. Editing me realized how stupid I sounded because I said I when really it was the number 1, and I was like, why would someone write 1 like that? And then I realized how stupid I sounded again because I write my 1s like that. So I'm sorry. Okay, let's continue. Oh, interesting. You're killing the game. Finally, okay, I don't know what that says. It's SUFJAN. I'm sorry, I'm like actually dumb. And then it says Steven's assisted record from songwriter Rosie Thomas, lighthearted, soft-spoken, and all, which I think that sounds pretty dope. Enjoy, Ryan. So yeah, I'm so excited and I'm so happy with everything that I got, and I'm so excited to listen. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed these laid-back videos, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow all my social medias, they'll be down below. If you want to see more vinyl related videos or like a vinyl collection or just things of that sort, let me know. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.
No, when we started, just 2 hearts in 1 home. It gets harder when we argue. We're both stuck